Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add widgets to your iPhone, iOS 14. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in iOS 14, and now you just want to be in the home screen and hold like empty space somewhere. Just hold with your mouse, with your not mouse but finger, and then go to left top corner to plus, and then here you're gonna see all the widgets that you can add, like TV, literally everything, photos, smart stack, and like smart stack, like really up to you, files, maps, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.